What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. Today we're at the Beamer Invasion pre-meets. This is to kind of get you a little taste of what's going to be showing down on the weekend for the actual Beamer Invasion show. Big shout out to Miguel and Corey for putting together one of the biggest BMW shows of the year. I'm gonna go through all the cars and show you guys all the dope whips that are here. And I already see some crazy ass cars, guys. Damn, I should have brought my M4. I think I messed up, guys. Anyways, let's check out some of the cool cars and let's go. Starting off, we have this beautiful F90 M5. Damn. On the BBS's FIRs, literally my favorite freaking wheels, guys. Love the M5, love the wheels. Beautiful car. And we got the other homie, Diverged M2. This is the one we saw the other night, guys. Beautiful, brand new M2 on BBS's. Look at the seats, guys. Damn, that is so freaking clean, and it's a manual. He's got the cage back there. That's just fire. Wow. Then we got a clean, damn, this is a crazy ass G80. That's sick. Look at that. AC Schnitzer. Damn, look at the diffuser coming down from Pennsylvania. That is one sick G80. Look at the wheels. Damn, on Cup 2s, rich. Silverstone interior. Super nice. Carbon roof. That is a clean G80 right there. Damn. Oh, I like this. The carbon with the blue. That's nice. That is clean. Beautiful G80 M3 on the LMRs. Red with the gold is such a nice combination. Damn. That is freaking clean. Okay. As you guys can see, we're already seeing some crazy ass builds out here, guys. Damn. Rich, we got the Alpina X7. Oh my gosh, bro. Damn. Rich. That is sick. Drive It Gray. See the gold matching? That's just hard. Oh my gosh, bro. Wow. Oh my god, even the exhaust? XB7, what's up? That is crazy. Oh my gosh, dude. What's up, G? How are you? Damn, that's a sick G82. Wide body. Look at the wheels. Wow, look at the carbon. And he's got the bucket seats too. He got the laser taillights. Wow. This one has all the gold accents as well. I like that. That's sick. How it's all color matching. Damn. The man himself, Corey. What's up, bro?
Good to see you, bro.
Nice to see you. Of course. Crazy lineup. Crazy lineup. G80 M3? No way this is paint. That is crazy. Wow. Sheesh, Sufi, all the way from San Diego. He's part of us as well. But damn, this color on the G80 is freaking sick. It's like a Tiffany blue with the Tiffany blue calipers. All the color matching. That's fire. And Tiffany blue on the back. Sheesh, rich. That is crazy. Check this one out too. This is a nice color on the G80. I can't tell if it's paint or wrap. Should look nice. I think it's paint? No, wrap? I can't tell. But nonetheless, it is a beautiful G80. That shit is nice. This makes me want a G80, guys. Got the color matching too on the spoiler with the carbon fiber. Beautiful G80. And of course, we got Daniel's beautiful G80 M3 Daytona Violet on the HREs. Looking clean. As you can see, we got a lot of crazy builds. For sure, my car wouldn't have been able to park in here though. I'm way too stock. That is sick. It's literally a one of one, guys. He literally bought a G82 and said, I'll make it into a pickup truck. And that's exactly what he did. Isn't that crazy? Bro. Oh my gosh, dude. That is just crazy. What the heck? That is wild, bro. That's definitely unique right there. But yeah, guys, so far the whole entire lineup here is just insane. Like I said, I wish I would have brought my car. It would have been so sick if I brought my car. But yeah, guys, we are out here and having a good time. Linking up with all the people out here. Beautiful F82 M4, Yas Marina Blue. You can see they got the mobile detailers out here getting the whips clean. Sheesh. That's a nice color on the F30, secure orange. And then you come over here, you got an M4, like a nice blue color, individual. F80 M3, shit is hard, bro. With the red interior, got another F80 M3 secure orange. That's nice. Then we got the G80 M3 Eiselman green. Nice wheels too. Super clean G80 M3, but it's very nice. This is a clean G80 right here. Damn, bro, this color's sick. On the HREs, bagged. That is freaking clean. God damn, bro. And that front end too, look at that. Wow.
Let me get back to fucking
Bomb, G. Rich.
And now you're doing free.
All over Daniel. Secure orange F80. That's clean. Secure orange F80 M3. If you guys remember, Daniel had a secure orange F80. And he has the same headlights as you. Bro, what if it's your car, G? Look, same headlight.
Is it PPF? Yep, it's PPF.
Bro, is your F80?
Nah.
Sheesh, look at that wing though.
Lord Danny.
Damn, he got the JQ works. Oh, that's just hard, bro. It's just so nice. Such a crazy freaking Z4. As you can see, some more Beamers pulled up. That's clean on BBS's. Damn, look at this color. Sheesh. That shit's bright. It's like a hot red, but like, I don't know if there's some pink in it, but damn. I don't even know if the camera can pick up the color, but that shit is crazy. F80 M3 with the LCI headlights. That is nice. We got an F30 right behind him. F80. Sheesh. Rich? What's up, bro?
All the way from the West Coast?
Yes, sir. What's up, bro? How are you?
Good to see you, bro. Good to finally meet you.
Yeah, for sure. Clean F80 M3. God damn, bro. So freaking nice, guys. This one, this Tiffany one is sick.
That's a crazy color.
This is hard, bro.
The backs.
I know how they color matched it. Even on the wheel, like the little lettering.
Yep.
Pink F90 M5. That is clean. LCI too. That's crazy.
All over it.
All over areas. Damn, that's a clean G80 right there. It's so freaking nice. Look at the M8. Full Vorsteiner. God damn, bro. This just sounds insane. That is sick. Bro, with the yellow DRLs? Oh my gosh, dude. That's clean right there. Such a clean E36. Damn. Rich. So, bro, that's just clean, dude.
Thank you, man. It's a drift car.
Drift car all over Nick.
What you doing all the way out here, man?
Beamer Invasion.
Yeah, welcome to the O, brother.
Thank you.
I'll see you Saturday,
I'll see you.
man.
Oh, bro, good. How are you?
Good.
Shit, nice, man.
Thanks.
The color is crazy.
What's that like DDE color that they just came out?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that shit's hard.
Thanks, man. Thanks.
Very nice.
I'm gonna be at Beamer Invasion at the RPI booth on
For
Saturday
sure.
too.
Well, come check it out.
Yeah, we'll see you all there.
All right, see you, bro.
Be safe, man.
Drive safe. All over Nick with the TEs.
Oh, don't say that, bro. That's fucked up, man.
I'll see you, bro.
Pull off.
All right. God damn, bro. Damn, shit's loud. That's a clean G82 right there with the wing on there. Damn. As you guys saw in also Nick's video, he's looking at a G80 or G82. I told him to go with automatic for these cars. GT3? We got Corey's F80. Makes me miss mine. I remember when I had my F80. All right, guys. Well, I think the pre-meet is over. And we're gonna go get some dinner with some of the guys from Beamer Invasion. Corey just left. Sheesh. This car looks so freaking good. Beautiful G80. Damn, it's just so freaking nice, guys. With red buckets. You got red on red. And it's a manual. But yeah, guys, suspension on this is crazy. He's got the little air cups. Look at that. Oh my God, dude. That fitment is just crazy.
Static suspension.
Literally.
Static suspension with the ability to raise it with air cups.
So freaking nice.
It saves your front lip, you know.
Literally,
Leaving
yeah.
that driveway that wasn't that bad. I was like, I'm gonna put it
still
up.
put it up, yeah. Damn, this G82 is crazy though. Ah, damn. Look at those tail lights though. Sheesh. You got the JQ Work steering wheel too. Rich.
Yeah, please. You said us live.
The vlog on that.
In case you need to pull the ripcord.
So Kevin, if it's bad, you gotta blame it on this guy.
Wow.
Alright, we're gonna see. He recommended it, so let's check it out.
Did you get fingered? Yeah, those are for you.
Should I have 10 in the house?
Yeah.
Put some on your ass.
So on the LA shots, who handles the drone?
Thank you.
The VIP event and all that. Yeah, that was good. Yeah. So I'm hoping to be able to get something like that today.
You gotta ask Grizz, why can't he eat so much? Grizz, we heard about your last incidents at Korean barbecue.
Yeah?
Yeah, you
What
fell
happened?
asleep.
How you
I heard he fell asleep.
Yeah. John, we need you to find another one of these
Jesus
guys.
Christ, another one. Jesus Christ.
We eating good.
got enough.
All right, guys, we just finished up dinner. We got the homie Jonathan's beautiful M4 individual color with CCB's competition package with the cage and the fire extinguisher. Super clean. We got the homie Ken with his beautiful G80 M3. This is probably one of my favorite G80s. Damn, that looks so good with the BBSs like that. And the red brake calipers. He's got the red bucket seats. We got Daniel, super clean G80 M3, carbon ceramics HREs, rich. And then we got the homie Williams, E92 M3, frozen black, hella clean.
Gotta love Florida for this. We can't do this in LA.
Oh yeah, this stuff? Are you kidding me? What?
Get closer.
Bro.
Yeah, I'm scared. Guys,
Bro.
This guy's ready to fucking...
My guy's ready.
Just assume everyone in Florida has a job.
That's
That's a
crazy.
good assumption. That's a very safe assumption.
gotta be ready for a rainy day. That's all.
Bro, I got the whole arsenal of hats.
That is a sick hat right there.
You guys want to try
That's
it?
great. Put it on, Danny.
Yeah, put on.
I'll put the camera lens in one of those things.
Honestly, yeah, this is like one
Isn't it
flashlight
crazy?
just pointed at one spot.
That's
You
crazy.
put one of those on your camera when you shoot, right? Yeah, I have the other one right
Take one of those in my hand. Sheesh. So we pulled up to Daniel's hotel. Look at that. Damn. That is hard. X5M, like a whole wide body kit on it. That is crazy. Damn, that looks so freaking good. Bro, that's just hard. That is hard. Sheesh. With the M4? Damn. That's pretty hard. Another F80 spotted over here at Daniel's hotel. Damn, that shit is nice too. Sheesh, on the BBSs. What's up? We got another F80. That's clean. Sheesh. What's up?